Hey guys, today I will show you how to replace front stabilizers or sway bar links on my BMW E90 320D. If you're hearing clucking and rattling noises coming from a tire area, then links on your car stabilizers might be worn out. You might also notice steering wheel appears to be loose, especially if you're turning it on place. If you want to see how to inspect if stabilizer bushings and links are worn out, I will leave a link down in description. Because the car is low, I will first ride it on an improvised ramp to have enough space to put the jack under the car. Before jacking the car, we will loosen the bolts. After jacking the car, we can remove the bolts and tire and proceed with replacing stabilizers. For this job you will need wrench 17mm and socket 16mm. To loosen the upper nut, we will place wrench 17mm behind the bar and socket 16mm directly on the nut. If the nut is stuck because of rust and corrosion, you can spray some lubricant WD-40 to penetrate and clean the rust, and after a while you can try again. After removing the nut, if you cannot pull the stabilizer screw out of the hole, you can place a jack under brake caliper and lift it a bit until the screw position is flat with the hole. You can see that by moving the strut up, the screw is positioning with the hole, and after the screw is positioned, you can easily remove it out. For bottom side, we will repeat the same steps. Here I found it easier to loosen the bolts with two wrench sizes, 17mm and 16mm. Here you can see that old stabilizer is completely worn out. Liquid has come out of the bushing, which basically protects the joint from wearing out. In this case, the joint is completely worn out and is moving freely without any force. Here on the new one, you have to put much more strength into moving it. Now for installing a new one, we will complete all previous steps in reverse order. I appreciate you have made it to the end of the video. Hope my video helped you in any way. To support my work, press thumbs up, make a comment and subscribe to my channel. Doing so will help my channel grow and give me more motivation to work on my next video. If you'd like to follow my work on BMW E90, make sure to turn on notifications, which will inform you about my next uploaded video. Thank you again for your attention, take care and see you in the next video.